पियूष पेदुङ को सह प्रायोजक गोवा फास्ट फूड एंड स्नैक्स पेदुङ बाजार।
सर आप लोग ऑफिशियली विजिट है कि क्या सर ये?
আমরা পশ্চিমবঙ্গ উচ্চশিক্ষা দপ্তর উচ্চশিক্ষা কমিটি থেকে এসেছি এখানে পশ্চিমবঙ্গ বিধানসভার পক্ষ থেকে।
ओके सर, तो कितना दिन की विजिट है सर ये?
हमारा विजिट है 29 तारीख से 4 तारीख तक।
ओके
सर
सर,
सर सुनिए ना, ये कौन सा पर्पस में ये विजिट हो रहा है?
विजिट का जो पर्पस यही है, जो हम गवर्नमेंट जो न्यू यूनिवर्सिटी बनाता है, डिग्री कॉलेज में बनाता है, ऐसा यूनिवर्सिटी कैसा चलता है, गवर्नमेंट को गाइडलाइन में चलता है कि नहीं, वो अच्छा चलता है कि बुरा चलता है, जो डिग्री कॉलेज है यही भी कैसा चलता है, अच्छा चलता है कि बुरा है, इसका कोई प्रॉब्लम था तो हम इधर से इंफॉर्मेशन लेगा, उसका क्या डिमांड है ये भी जानता है, तो इसीलिए रिपोर्ट बनाएगा, जो रिपोर्ट में पश्चिम बंग विधानसभा में ले आउट होगा।
ओके
देन दिस रिपोर्ट विल बी এটা আমাদের পরবর্তী সময় বিধানসভা সবাই দেখবে এবং আমাদের মাননীয় মন্ত্রীও দেখবে, এবং লাস্ট অফ অল আমাদের মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর অনুমোদন ক্রমে যেগুলো নিয়ে সেগুলোকে কার্যকরী করার চেষ্টা করবে।
ओके सर, सर पेदुङ कॉलेज में क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम है, क्या क्या सजेशन निकला सर? तो
पेडोंग कॉलेज तो हम वहाँ से जो पहले मेरा एग्जाम्शन था, जो तो एक हमारे स्टेट के एंड में है, हम उधर जाएगा, न्यू कॉलेज है, कैसा चलता है ये, तो ऐसे लिए हम पेडोंग पहले चॉइस करके इधर हम आया, हमको बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये कॉलेज में, छोटा कॉलेज है, स्टूडेंट का नंबर भी थोड़ा है, तो इसीलिए इसको जो अरेंजमेंट है अच्छा नाइस है, टोटल एनवायरनमेंट नाइस है, थोड़ा सम प्रॉब्लम है, बिल्डिंग प्रॉब्लम है और सब्जेक्ट प्रॉब्लम कुछ है, ये सब हमको रिपोर्ट करेंगे।
जैसे कि क्वार्टर भी प्रॉब्लम है सर?
क्वार्टर भी प्रॉब्लम है, दैट इज क्वार्टर एंड हॉस्टल बोथ का प्रॉब्लम है, एज इट इज ए हिली एरिया, सो हॉस्टल एंड क्वार्टर इज वेरी एसेंशियल।
सर ये जो सब्जेक्ट
You have to know that we are not the authority to sanction anything. Everything will be sanctioned by our education minister in consultation with the chief minister.
yes sir.
And that should be passed by the assembly. We are simply recommend the problems, the lacunas, and thereafter our education minister and department will follow it, and they will take which one is most important, they may take it.
थैंक यू सो मच सर, हमको तो टाइम देने के लिए सर।
It is after immense pleasure we have received from your welcome. The system you have organized to welcome your guests, that is very nice and wonderful. It could have been better had I have the expertise in the local Nepali language, but I am unfortunate to speak in Nepali, so therefore I want to continue in English. I myself, as a teacher, I have served the college for 14 years as principal. So therefore, my brother principal of this college, he has presented his positive sides and as well as his requirements of this institution very clearly. And detailed discussion we had in the staff room also, that has enriched us to find out the weakness and the strong points of this institution. The faculty of this institution, my colleagues, and the beloved students, those who are in my front, and as well as the honorable members of this standing committee, those who are visiting these institutions, to find out what the government should do, and the government what has been done, and what the next course of action that should be taken for the further development of the esteemed institution which has been set up by our beloved Chief Minister Srimati Mamata Banerjee. The students will know that after coming to power in 2011, the Chief Minister of West Bengal, she has realized and understood if we can spread our education system right from the hills to ocean, everywhere, right from the jungles to deserts, everywhere our students should get education at a cheaper prices. And that has been possible, it made possible by the Chief Minister only setting up the institution of need-based local areas. So far as government college is concerned, right from our childhood, we have heard from Krishnanagar, the center of the state, almost, and to Kuchbihar, this long gap. There was one government college in Krishnanagar and the next one was in Kuchbihar, some few hundred kilometers away from one to another. The Chief Minister actually started setting up government colleges and Phenom, one of the corner of the hill, where the students of bright and beautiful children of this area, the very region, most of you, actually getting education from the government college of West Bengal. So that is, you are fortunate, and Madam Chief Minister rightly understood that hill region should be enriched with the proper education. I have seen the good number of subjects that have been already introduced in 2015, and the principal will lay emphasis on opening up another 3-4 art subjects in Bengali and all that. But we told time and again that we must introduce geology subject in this institution, so that the students of this area, they can work on practically about the landslides and about the heat problems that are facing local people every day. I assure you, sir, the Standing Committee on Higher Education, this committee of duty is to visit every corner of the Bengal and to find out what should be done. And rightly pointed out the building expansion that should be done on work footing basis. Another, the staff quarters, the boundary walls. And I sincerely hope the COVID situation in another way, the West Bengal government is facing the huge financial crunch. So therefore, we must keep our patience. The development will get slow because of this COVID. Everywhere there are some financial crisis. The government is also facing the financial crisis. But we hope we will present your problems before the appropriate authorities of the government and to try expedite the development of this college. I assure you, there will be no problem for better education to you, but I, being a teacher, I will request the principal that please set up a training institute, a coaching institute for our students for getting into professional careers like administrative careers like IPS, IAS and WBCS. All these professional careers our students and many the students from the St. Joseph School.
St. George's School.
St.
George's School, sir.
St. George's School. That is the main feeder institution of this college. So therefore, it will be not difficult for you to come into these administrative professions, and I welcome to you very soon that from this government college, our Bengal administrative positions will be occupied by you to serve the hill in a better ways. That is my expectation. Once again, I will not take more time, but really I am happy, and we are all happy that we have rightly chosen an institution in the extreme corner of the state on the hills, and we are privileged that the way you have welcomed us, giving us patience hearing or whatever we are saying, and really you are extremely beautiful. Thank you all.
all the delegates members, all the MLAs, all the members of the higher education committees. I would like to welcome you all to our college. I want to say something about our college. First of all, I would like to thank the government for providing us this beautiful college in this beautiful place, because this college made our future beautiful, because we have to not go too far away to the colleges. And our YC already has said about what the problems are going on the college, what we need. So I would like to thank the committees who bring this college to the Pedong, and I would like to thank you all. Thank you.
Faculty members, please come here on lectern to give a speech or to share some experiences. One of the faculty members on political science.
Everyone, I'm Pooja Guru, Assistant Professor in Political Science. And today we feel like we are very privileged to have you all present here, the members of the Standing Committee on Higher Education, and most of the problems or most of the achievements achieved by this college has already been shared by our YC sir. And I feel that after the establishment of the college here in Pedong, I was personally also very much privileged, because I was serving in Krishnanagar Government College for almost 6 years. I stayed there for almost 6 years, and after the establishment of this college, I was transferred over here. So I'm also very thankful that in a place like this, and in a remote place like this, Pedong, that a college has been established, a government institution has been established. So we are very happy to have you all here today also. And on the part of our teachers also, everybody is cooperating with the students, and just from especially in the science department, most of the teachers are from faraway places. So I think it would be better if they will get some residential facilities like quarters, so that it will be easier for them, because most of the environment is not conducive for them, because most of them are from plains. So it would be better residential quarter, because when I was working in Krishnanagar, we used to stay in a government quarter. I was very safe there. So even our staff should feel like that, a residential quarter for the teachers. And the students are also they are making progress. The subjects we have, by the way, we have geology over here. We have geology subject in our college. And Sir was talking about the introduction of, I think, zoology and physical education subject. So the students are also making progress in all the subjects, and most of them have also got admission in universities. Most of the students, they have cleared NET also. They have gone to universities. They have cleared NET also, and they are doing good in their personal field also. So we are very happy. And I'd like to thank you all. Thank you.
I, on behalf of whole family of Pedong Government College and non-teaching staff, do welcome all the delegates to our college. I don't have much to say about the non-teaching staff, but there are certain positions vacant, which I request Chairman Sir to consider our demands. We have a vacant post for librarian in the college, which is very essential, and vacant post for accountant in college, so we can run the accountancy smoothly in college, and one head clerk. And we also are having some problem with the security guards we have in the college. recently concluded meeting, virtual meeting, there was a suggestion and opinion from DPI regarding the recruitment of security guards in the college. And before we used to open tenders for different agencies regarding the security guards for the post. Now, DPI madam has suggested us if it is just wanted to know the opinions of all the government colleges if it is okay to recruit the security guards from the Rajya Sainik Board. So in this case, I, on behalf of OIC and the whole security guards, would suggest that recruitment of security guards should be done through Rajya Sainik Board, which will be very relevant and smooth functioning of the college. So that's all I have to say. I don't have much to say about the college. We have heard from OIC about the college. So once again, I welcome and thank you very much. We are very much honored to have you.
But for all the students who are from belong and around Spadol to come here and get educated, and this is again, the blessings of God and obviously our government, and then even each and every member who are present here. So thank you once again, and hope to meet you all again. Hope to see you. Thank you so much.